9 days, 9 different looks. અહીંયા તમને નવરાત્રી માટે બહુ જ સુંદર ઓપ્શન્સ મળી જવાના છે ચણિયા ચોલીસમાં. ટોટલ ઓફ 13 બ્રાન્ડ્સ છે અને દરેક બ્રાન્ડ પાસે કંઈક યુનિક ઓપ્શન છે નવરાત્રી કલેક્શન માટે. સાથે સાથે તમને ફેસ્ટિવ સિઝન માટે બી બહુ જ સુંદર ઓપ્શન્સ મળી જશે અને સાથે સાથે ટુ પેર વિથ ઇટ યુ વિલ ફાઇન્ડ અ લોટ ઓફ ઓપ્શન્સ ફોર અફઘાની ટ્રેડિશનલ એથનિક jewelry collection. So this is a 2-day exhibition, August Affair by Arohi Events happening at Bohemian Gallery. Come down here, check caption for all the details. And now this is brand Classic Curve and उनके पास जो collection है उसमें USP ये है that you'll find beautiful katli work on each piece. Yes, something like this. Lot of options and colors. काचली वर्क में अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए ट्रेडिशनल पीसेस लॉट्स ऑफ ऑप्शन आर अवेलेबल एंड दे हैव गॉट ब्यूटीफुल सेट्स एज वेल. आभास में आपको मिल जाएगा, मरोड़ी वर्क में मिल जाएगा 3 piece सेट्स लाइक दीज, वेरी प्रिटी, समथिंग लाइक दिस. Wow, this is a very beautiful piece. So this is brand Guru Design Studio and they have got some very beautiful pieces like this. Pura chaniya choli, again amazing. Something in hand painted if you want. Beautiful, amazing. Check this out, a very unique piece with beautiful chaniya and choli. Amazing. Something hand painted if you want. Just check this out, very pretty on the white, beautiful and beautiful chaniya choli like this. Blouses का उनके पास बहुत अच्छा collection है. There are lots of options in blouses. Beautiful. This is brand Navrangika and they have got lots of options in chaniyas like these. काफी अच्छा flare मिल जाएगा. Think you want in earthy shades, they have got options for that as well. टिक्का work के साथ अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए then in black this is a very beautiful piece. A very pretty set. Check out the blouse and also the chaniya. Beautiful gamthi work. So this is brand Pure Soul by Ruchi and they have again beautiful chaniya cholis का collection. यहाँ पे आपको separately blouses में भी बहुत अच्छे options मिल जाएंगे. Something very pretty and elegant like this. अब हर brand के पास आपको कुछ unique collection मिलेगा. Check this out. Something in white, something in dark green, very pretty. And the detailing on the blouse is also amazing. Just check this out. Something in purple if you want. Every blouse has a different pattern. तो चनिया चोलीस के लिए 9 रातों के लिए आपको अलग अलग टाइप का कलेक्शन मिल जाएगा. वेरी प्रिटी, द वर्क, द डिजाइन, a lot of options they have. Something like this if you don't want to wear traditional chaniya choli, then something Indo-Western. Wow, this one is also very pretty, beautiful. Check this out, red, beige, amazing. They have lots of options for blouses and very pretty dupattas like these. Amazing. Now this is brand Anha Ethnics and they have got beautiful collection for chaniya cholis and यहाँ पे आपको पूरा ट्रेडिशनल टच देखने मिलेगा. This is in bandhni, thing in कच्छी वर्क, पूरा बॉर्डर आएगा उसका. Wow, check this out. पूरा वर्क on the blouse, thing like this. पैच वर्क आपको पूरा मिल जाएगा. And just check this out. काफी यूनिक ऑप्शंस यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएंगे. ब्लाउजेस लाइक दीज, ब्यूटीफुल. लॉन्ग ब्लाउज में अगर आपको ऑप्शंस चाहिए तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारा कलेक्शन है उनके पास. पूरा आपको ट्रेडिशनल वर्क मिल जाएगा, पैच वर्क मिल जाएगा, कच्छी और गामठी में ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. अमेजिंग. ये दुपट्टा, दिस, चेक दिस आउट, अमेजिंग, ब्यूटीफुल. So this is brand Anha Ethnics with the beautiful collection. ब्लाउजेस में, चनियाज और दुपट्टास में भी आपको काफी अच्छे ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. और यूनिकनेस क्या है तो आपको पूरा ट्रेडिशनल टच के साथ मिल जाएगा. एम्ब्रॉयडरी मिल जाएगी, कच्छी और गामठी वर्क में आपको ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. ब्यूटीफुल.
हाय, तो दिस इज લેબલ અનુજા અમદાવાદ. આપણી પાસે આ ટાઈપના ચણિયા ચોલી સેટ્સ છે. આ ટાઈપના પણ આવશે પિંકમાં, શેડેડ દુપટ્ટા સાથે, વ્હાઈટ અને બ્રાઉનમાં છે. એમાં કલર ઓપ્શન બહુ જ બધા છે. मैं પહેર્યું એ જ ટાઈપમાં બીજા કલર ઓપ્શન્સ છે.
ब्यूटीफुल ऑप्शंस.
સ્લીવ્સમાં પણ ઓપ્શન્સ છે.
समथिंग इन प्रिंटेड इफ यू वांट, उनके पास वो भी ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है लाइक दिस. ब्यूटीफुल. एंड ऑल्सो दे आर इनटू कस्टमाइजेशन.
Yes.
So you can get your piece customized as per your choice, as per your liking. A lot of options for chaniya cholis. This is brand Label Anuja Ahmedabad.
Yes.
So this is brand Elegance, the fashion window, and यहाँ पे उनके पास kids के लिए for your girls they have got beautiful Navratri collection. Check this out, a lot of options. Yes, this pink color with beautiful mirror work. Got options in blouses like these, option in colors like this. Beautiful. Now they have got options in whole sets as well. Full chaniya choli का look आपको मिल जाएगा like this. Very pretty color with dupatta. Something in sleeveless, full look again. So this is brand Sui Dhaga, and they have got like this with mirror work. Something with hand work. Beautiful. Something like this in black with beautiful blouse. Yes. Something in yellow and purple. Something like this. Beautiful options for chanyas with hand work. Angrakha style में अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए, beautiful. In shaded if you want, just check this out. Some very unique pieces. This is brand Sui Dhaga. So this is brand Vikrish Jewelry, and they have.
Hello. So we have German silver neck pieces, and everything is in German silver and brass. So कोई ऑक्सीडाइज ज्वेलरी नहीं है, तो आपको कोई एलर्जी का कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहेगा. ये सारे हेवी इयररिंग्स हैं, बट दीज आर वेरी लाइट वेट, सो यू कैन वेयर एवरी नाइट इन नवरात्रि. और ये सारे नोज रिंग्स है, ये सारे नोज रिंग्स है. ये बैंगल्स एंड ब्रेसलेट्स में ऑप्शन है. सिंगल पीसेस में भी रहेगा और ड्यूएट भी मिल जाएगा. ये नेक पीसेस है. दिस न्यू थिंग, ये कश्मीरी हेडसेट विथ इयररिंग्स है. ये बन में आप टाई करके ये इयररिंग्स आप पेयर कर सकते हैं. अगेन ये कश्मीरी इयररिंग्स है. ये सिर्फ कश्मीरी स्टाइल है, जो आपको यहाँ पे यूनिक ऑप्शन अवेलेबल रहेगा. ये सारे स्टेटमेंट पीसेस है, एंड ये स्पेशल जर्मन सिल्वर बॉक्स पर्सेस है.
So this is brand Arohi Gems and Jewelry.
We have got this beautiful Afghani statement jewelry, the chokers. Then we have these long pieces.
Very pretty.
Then we have the glass jewelry.
Amazing.
Then we have long silver lookalikes. Like these.
Beautiful.
Then we have these long, very statement pieces.
Yes.
All different, a wedding collection.
They have got a wedding collection as well. Very pretty.
Some small chokers. A beautiful color choker.
Yes. Then they have got fusion collection here. बहुत सुंदर ऑप्शंस यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएंगे. Then they have got bracelets, only bracelets, kadas में काफी अच्छा ऑप्शन है, and beautiful earrings का collection as well. So this is brand Attires by H. Very pretty Navratri collection. Beautiful mirror work on the blouses. Something like this. Amazing. Yes. इन चनियाज में अगर आपको ऑप्शन चाहिए तो वो भी मिल जाएंगे. Like this. Other than this, they have got beautiful options in kaftans. Amazing. Now this is brand Radiant Jewels with their beautiful collection again for Navratri and festive jewelry.
So we have chokers, some sets for kids also.
Well.
We have this type of chokers.
Yes.
Some statement pieces. This is pitchway pieces. Very much long pieces.
Please.
Heavy pieces.
Yes.
And a lot many options in long necklaces.
Yes. Triple options in earrings as well. Triple options in kadas and rings as well. This is brand Two Sisters, and they have got beautiful collection for chaniya cholis, and the one that I am wearing is also part of their collection. Something like this, some pastel shades if you want. Very pretty options you'll find in all different colors and pattern and varieties. Just check this out. Two-toned Navratri chaniya choli collection. Then they have something like this as well, fully festive. You can also style it up for wedding functions. Something like this. Check this out. Very pretty color. The work on the blouse is also amazing. Something in orange if you want, with beautiful golden design. Beautiful. Something pista. Very pretty. Check out the work again on the blouse. Beautiful. And then something like this. A very traditional piece. Beautiful. Something in earthy tones if you want. So they have a full packed collection for the Navratri season.